If you are like me looking for cheap items on Facebook Marketplace, trust me guys, most of time it is scam. With me it happened few times actually. So whenever I try to buy something from Facebook, I try to make sure I get their number, because recently when I got this GoPro, I went to her location. She told me just come over and pick it up, and when I went there, she didn't even reply me. She didn't see my messages, and I was so pissed actually. And because of that, I drove like 1 hour from my home to there, and then I came back empty-handed because she was not replying to my messages. I thought it is a scam or something. When I came home, she messaged me and said, oh my god, it's really bad, I'm so sorry, and stuff like that. I understood actually, because I really wanted to buy the GoPro because it was really good deal actually. $50 is nothing. So went again at night and got the GoPro, and right now I'm recording myself in this GoPro. Unique item actually, because for me it's totally new. I've never tried GoPro or something like a fancy camera or something. I try, I recorded my videos in my phone and that's it. But the result on this thing is amazing. Let me show you the outside view. It might give you a bit more idea whether to buy this GoPro or not. Look how it can catches the colors. See, yeah, super amazing. And also look at the sky. Yeah, it is super amazing item. If you are like me trying to buy a GoPro or something, just go for it. It is worth it. It's worth it actually. And the image is very stable actually, I know. This is my GoPro. Spent only $50 Australian dollar. This is the nicest gadget I've spent money on. I don't like to spend a lot of money on these things. This is how I got this. Went to marketplace, searched GoPro. I'm recording myself on the GoPro right now. If you want to record videos in your car, like dancing and stuff like that, I might be recording myself most of time in my car. So I have done this thing. See, the GoPro can be attached easily with the this mobile holder. I got this mobile holder from Kmart only for $10. So it was only working with the mobile phone, and I didn't figure out a way to attach the GoPro in the car, because if I'm trying to buy the accessories for the GoPro, they are very expensive. So this is a little hack I've done with the GoPro. See, I've attached the the metal plating comes with this mobile holder, the magnetic one. I cut that in pieces and installed it with the glue, the super glue, and it is working nicely for me. It might help you. It looks ugly, I know that. I know it looks ugly, but still it's working for me, and it is the cheapest hack for me. So you guys can do that too if you want to. Otherwise, yeah, that's what I'm going. And because of that, my life is much easier now. And I didn't wanted to spend a lot of money to buy the new the GoPro 12 or something like that. So I got this one for only $50. So it's a good deal for me, and the result is super amazing. Especially the image is very stable. On the phone, no, it's not that stable actually. One thing I want to discuss with you guys is the battery life. The battery life of this GoPro is very bad actually. So whenever I'm trying to shoot videos like outside, it only lasts for like 20 minutes max. That's it, not more than that. And I've tried to find the batteries, like second-hand battery, and still no success. If I go on Amazon and try to buy a battery from there, it's very expensive. Now I don't want to do that. So maybe in few days I'll try to install some other battery, like from the old phone or something like that, and I'll make a video of that too. And I'm still trying to figure out how to make a DIY microphone for this thing, because the audio quality is not that good. So I'll be doing that too. So stay tuned for my GoPro hacks, guys. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more updates about this GoPro thing. And this is me, my name is Husnain, and I make a lot of videos. Like I've recently started doing the vlogs. I am from Pakistan, so mostly I speak Urdu and Punjabi in my videos, but eventually if I make a tech video, I'll definitely speak in English, because most of the people are, you know, from around the world looking for the, you know, these things, hacks and stuff like that. So this is what I'm gonna do. Thank you so much for watching.